Hello family, welcome, welcome, welcome. Today I have a treat for you. We're gonna make this cream cheese pound cake. And did you know that if you beat your pound cake batter thoroughly, you can omit the baking powder and the baking soda? I tried it with this cream cheese pound cake recipe and this cake rose to the challenge. Let me show you how I did it. Here are all my ingredients. I'm using cream cheese, egg, flour. I'm using salted butter, so no salt needed since you're using salted butter. Make sure your butter, your egg, make sure it's at room temperature, and your cream cheese, okay? We're gonna go ahead and put this in here in my KitchenAid mixer, and you're just gonna mix it, just whip it up a bit. And I'm using organic cane sugar, and as you can see, I have lemon zest that I'm gonna be using, and I put it right in the sugar. It gives it such a great flavor, so you want to go ahead and do that. I prepared all my ingredients, so you're gonna go ahead and whip this together. Let me know in the description box how do you make your cream cheese pound cake or your pound cake. All the ingredients to this recipe is gonna be in the description box, okay? So this is the sugar and the butter. So make sure as you put your sugar and your butter, make sure you scrape down the sides, okay? That's gonna be very important anytime you're dealing with a cake batter, okay? If this is the first time you're making a pound cake, this recipe is very easy to follow, okay? So as you can see, we're just whisking this together, and I'm adding in the cream cheese. I just cut some, and then I cut a little bit more, add it in, whisk it together. Don't forget to scrape down the sides, and then add your eggs in one by one. Your eggs need to be room temperature, okay? Add them in one by one. So after you finish adding your eggs in one by one, go ahead and just let this go for 10 minutes, okay? 10 minutes. Like I said, after that, it's been 10 minutes. You want to go ahead and add a cup of flour at a time, because this recipe calls for 3 cups of flour. You don't need any baking powder or baking soda. Once you beat that batter well with the eggs and the sugar and the butter, it incorporates air into your batter, and that's what causes it to be moist. So when you beat it like that, that's what causes it. Now you're adding in the flour. You don't want to mix this for 10 minutes. You just want your flour to be mixed in, and that's it. Once it's mixed in, you can get ready to put it in your pan for baking. So with the flour, you want to add, mix, add, mix, add, mix. And scrape down the sides while you're doing this too, okay? If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Here I'm adding in some vanilla extract. Then I'm gonna use my bundt pan that I buttered and floured. And right about this time, you wanna make sure that your oven is being preheated at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. So you're gonna go ahead and put your batter in your bundt pan. Then once that's finished, you wanna just smooth the top out some. And then you're gonna just tap your bundt pan just to get any air out of it, just to make sure everything is leveled really, really well. bake it in the oven. It's gonna take about this took about 65 to 75 minutes. It's gonna depend on the temperature of your oven. And look at what we have here. Cream cheese pound cake. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's gonna melt in your mouth. It's not gonna be dry. It's gonna be so delicious. All the ingredients in the description box, along with the type of flour and butter that I use for this recipe. I hope you enjoy, and bye.